Hello. Anyone ni adofo me mama kwaba ediba Paro GATV. Ahaye Paro GATV. I thank my cherished viewers and my cherished subscribers. Nyame shisho bibia maba. Beko break akra ba maba. Eko ye campaign kakra chichirenchi ba maba. Obia nkodum no nso nya campaign bi ne fa mo NDC no mo 2024. Enye so mo ma ye ho be kire ye. Enye so mo ma ye ho be kire ye pa misro bibia. Oba channel we so abomodi aso be subscribe. Me subscribe button so na me bell icon notification wa subscribe we. Press all we and watch video no ma for so nya bia hwe. Na wasem bia wo as video we ho di akoto comment section of pepe. No be so nya bia kan. De nyina ye chirech adwen entwa da pa bia wo ho. Afese like button fa dum natural do my yedam say. BASINTELI BASINTELI edi se bia pie. Na asem na odi pie no aye hu. Asemna no ayedim papa yie na mekae obibia so oba ha pomoda na hwe video no kosie biye na hwe ngongani a ewo ekiri eni niama obeti otwa no na kwa ne aka no bibia na bi papa bi wo ho yenko ne yenko tie BASINTELI the way a body nsem bi etotu ho a badwimba etie a obehu se wakase yi pa abrantie no is one of the finest NDC communicators Sami Jemfi wo ho BASINTELI and young boy knows I say Sami Jemfi ni junior no not biological junior but ye juma to say Sami Jemfi we have the men in NDC not the way or the other way round we have the men in NDC communicators so we share our radio station na TV station MPP for no ebi no mu dwane wo mu tumi ntrano wo mu entumi ntrano it's a fact and your fallacy is a fact. You be bie nsem no so amamo no tie nsem a BASINTELI e kan e fa Bawumia. Eni nkrofo a omudi krowo anya anka obi kra kire se Bawumia pa nanka o se okoye assembly member. Obi so asem kan no. O si Bawumia wagu no ho ni mo si o Ghana politics mu ya yesi economic messiah no. Anka this time no fata so be di akonwa ewo krum ha ewo man we mu so be di akonwa kra it should be assemblyman akonwa and yet the highest seat of the land no yanko ti BASINTELI ye bi ameba me basisia
I've known Alhaji Bawumia and I know him better than you. He's my brother from the north. He's one man who lies unrepentantly. And he lies as if there is no tomorrow again for us to even expose him. Look, you cannot be hot and cold at the same time. Bawumia at a point says that I wasn't in charge of the economy. Yeah. And I was not at the helm of affairs. And at another time, he says that he performed better than President Mahama. So where does he stand? There are two things Bawumia must do for us before we judge him, or before we even think of going into the election, and even remembering him on the ballot paper. He must either admit that for the 8 years of Akufo-Addo, he was entirely useless, or he must admit that he was at the helm of affairs, but he was highly incompetent. These are two things. You cannot be here and here at the same time. And that has been his attitude, even in terms of religion. Look, the last time I said that if we don't take care, for 66 years or 67 years of our independence, Bawumia will plunge this country into religious chaos. Because he is the only flag bearer who still goes around campaigning on religious lies. And Kojo, you and I, let's advise the young man. This is not the way to go as a leader in this country. You cannot go around and tell people to vote for you because you are a Buddhist, because you are a Muslim. And you see, when you go to churches, you go and look at the church and tell them that Jesus is coming again and Jesus is coming to save the world. Meanwhile, the religion that you belong to does not even believe in that. Islam, the difference between Islam and Christianity is that Islam does not believe that Jesus Christ is the savior. So if you go to church and you are telling them that Jesus Christ is the savior, it looks as if you are now coming to trick them and they don't even know where you stand. So let's advise him. This religious tangent is not healthy. Even if you claim they should vote for you because you are a Muslim. When you were a Muslim at 8 years of being a vice president, what did you do for the Muslim communities? There's been a debate on hijab from time immemorial. The only man to have commented on that and allowed Muslim girls with hijab to attend senior high schools was President Mahama. You came in for 8 years, you haven't touched on the...
Modia, you ever start to ask you, watching someone BASINTELI de go from no. Watch us say, Bawumia the most incompetent personality. Afensu say a case will be a very religious partisan divisionist. Nay, Bawumia. Bawumia a very religious divisionist politician. Bawumia are politicians or academician or any PhD. No, you Juma or Bank of Ghana. You didn't background non presso. But yenim obia or no. Obe yabu maye say Bawumia a economic messiah. Enuni nea since the era efi nkrumaso ebesi atamuzi we from se Mahamasono na loan omuji ene 200 billion Ghana cedis. Wo mu ko 600 and something 630 something billion. Enye skatitu die enye skakitu e. But with these incompetent people are here from men pesa mabudi, but they know themselves. With Bawumia, yedina prayer, ya friend untuma. Your friend is saying, ya friend untuma fufu. Netadi oshe ne black no. Na jumni nyina ye black no. Yedi tuma fufu a friend so ono ye nyame ba no. Ene ono ama ye cedi. Ene nam 16 cedis to the dollar rate. Pound. Decimal point edechi eko. Enti na offer $1. Just okita 16 cedis. Mamunim sani endi sani amani nya bae. Eye sikana omo MPP for besi sanye no sa decimal point no mu yi 00 no fi so. I always kept saying it. Sadi de gu ye sikana. But even though say President Kufuor ye no Mahama ometenu ediba almost getting to 4 cities because na nyama mu odini. Na dum so ho na nyama mu odini. But we for the oba e bibie ni ho. COVID here by a discount muchichirigi, want to account for it. And here Barney saying that 600 and something billion Ghana cedis. And yes, Katuchi deal. What to me, I use this kana ye nim Yamudia. Mahama, Omo Lono Mukoji, a new but Osha project or Epitegu on a dorsal pie. Yanko Nyonko BASINTELI, in some walkan, Yanko Nyokoti, Nidino, Nibono. Obia what the way are born because it's a very nice and fine and hands-on NDC for. It's a fact. We have the finest people. The young women are so beautiful and pretty and scrumptious, very scrumptious. And man, we a lady for no. Koko tuntuma tuntum ne huna hana boko mahama lo Befe and member for so home BASINTELI ni kum a teacher se oba ni kum. I share the name round. Not share. Members of NDC are so handsome and beautiful. My name said, Wamushadano, Omusho, Mahofen, Omudibejo, ni party now say there's a certain criteria I was also joining NDC. Or so Muyefe and Sanoaba join. Yano for the one will be no. Someone will be no. Sir NDC for the minimum Casado. Someone will be no Mukase, or conversation I see. Yan move with more on my feno, or my more feno, a brusso, because if you see, Utio, now Koya, not the Bial Blue home, we have the men now, Utubedi, and now Twitchino. Yanko Kuti BASINTELI, Bevas here.
Of Muslim hijab. When President Mama was president, we used to go to Hajj between 11,000 and 13,000. Today, you said you took a Quran to the Flagstaff House, yet Hajj fares are 75,000, 750 million. How can people go again on pilgrimage? You said you are a Muslim, yet every now and then your actions depict, somebody different from you are called. And you see, I have known Alhaji Bawumia and I know him better than you. He's my brother from the north. He's one man who lies and
Onia, and something yana, Malik BASINTELI akan. Wakan we flow pepe, Come be any ho, exclamation punctuation be any ho, exclamation sign be any ho, vetted comments be any ho, Your friend is saying, oh, Bakum ya. There are no any signs of equations be a woman, Wakasa Street, and where they are to her. We be about me. We be any incompetence or no saying or no country Mahama say or you incompetent. Wow, a jana we ya with your bow young kono, a dahoma one day. nsɛm a Bawumia kan yɛ 2016 bɛsi no CSE yɛbɔ akyerɛ no a he bow down he says in shame. He said in shame. Wɔyɛ liar. Wɔyɛ ntro go ni DNA mu. Ɛno na your friend sɛ BASINTELI kan no. Yɛboa montwa ne na monhwɛ sɛ DNA no ntro ne mu ana. So sɛ ɔde assign MPP for no bebree. Only asam ni yɛde abram ni yɛwie nyame show bi abɔ mo de ana subscribe aha yɛ Parrot GA TV yɛbɛsa bebio yɛdɔm ase bye bye.